Hi, I'm Annika Spring. I'm a senior at Galesburg High School and I'm involved with GAVC. I've taken 3 GAVC classes at Galesburg High School. I'm currently in their culinary program, I've taken their health occupations program, and now I'm taking welding here at Sandburg. It's been a really neat experience for me. I was extremely nervous coming into this class, especially being the only female in the class, and just how everybody kind of took me at first. I've definitely had to kind of make my way and earn everybody's respect, especially the guys' respect, but it's been a very rewarding experience. One day we were signing up for classes going into my senior year, and I jokingly said to my parents, I was like, I think I might want to take welding. And I was not even being serious about it at all. And they were like, really? And I was like, no, I'm just kidding. And then we just kept having conversations about it. And somehow I got enrolled in it. And it's been a great experience, and I'm very glad and thankful that I did it. Bart's my instructor. He's really good. I was kind of intimidated by him at first, but once he realized that I was comfortable and confident in what I could do, he's been very helpful in constructive criticism and helping me get better, because I know I've grown a lot from where I started. I was a little nervous about it because I don't like being considered the teacher's pet, which I've been considered in years past, and that I am the girl in welding and was not taken seriously. But now I am taken a little more seriously. The guys are actually asking me for advice and help, and we have to have jobs done by a certain time, and when they get nervous and they haven't used their time wisely, they're like, can you help me? How do I do this? I just need a grade. And I'm like, just do it like this. It means a lot to me, actually. It's really boosted my confidence. I was so nervous coming into a class with all guys. I had never welded before. I've seen welding here and there, but nothing in depth. There's explosives, it's dangerous. I was not confident in myself, and to realize that I'm capable of welding and basically being one of the guys, it means a lot.